you can't go to a Honda dealer or a, for that lack of terms, a Victory dealer when they were still in business, or even Indian, and say, I want to buy this connector or that connector to fix something. You have to buy a whole harness. That's something that really prompted us to say, hey, we need to offer all the same connectors that Harley does, and not have you have to go to a dealer to buy it. So metric, you couldn't even buy it from the dealer. You had to buy a harness. At Harley, you can only get the connectors from Harley. So we offer the same exact connectors for metric bikes and or Harley Davidson or any American-made motorcycle, including Victory and Indian. And you can buy them from us directly. You can buy them from our dealers all over the world or any of our distributors all over the world. And what that does is it allows you to have that freedom to fix the bike yourself and not have to go to your shop or dealership. And it's simple, hey, I want to make this extension harness so that I can put this different doodad on or add this additional lighting part. Or when I was cleaning my bike, you know, a shovel fell and hit the connector and broke it. Whatever happened, you can buy the replacement part and do it yourself. So it not only promotes doing it yourself, which is important to understand your motorcycle, but it also gives you another outlet to be able to achieve that goal.